Luxury, Canada, why?
Well, luxury is a huge market that Airbnb can enter, and it wants to because Expedia is already pursuing it, and Priceline is as well. So huge opportunities there. And what we're seeing with luxury retreats is that the interest from Airbnb for luxury retreats isn't necessarily that they want those listings. I mean, that's great that they have those extra listings, but it's really about the technology that luxury retreats brings to Airbnb in managing luxury listings.
So, and actually, the look and feel of luxury retreats is quite similar to Airbnb. It feels as though it could be a relatively good fit. But also what's interesting in your story is the fact that they offer certain services at luxury retreats that we're starting to see Airbnb echo as well, bartenders and the likes.
Absolutely. So Luxury Retreats has done an excellent job in managing all these whether or not you want to use a masseuse or a bartender when you're on vacation, all these extra little amenities that are actually very, very difficult to manage at scale because you're often in exotic locations and you're dealing with a small business. So they have mastered that, and Airbnb wants to tap into that technology that can essentially bring luxury to scale around the world.
I mean, you've already written about the fact that Airbnb are making moves in this way. You know, you can go truffle hunting potentially and all these sort of more high-end things.
Yes.
They really want to own this space. They've been making so many diversifying moves, haven't they? Originally, it was all just about homes, but now it's about business, it's about flights, it's about owning really our space.
Certainly. They are on a mission, for sure, to really not only own global travel, but to really just own anything that they associate with being fun, with leisure. And I think that's really what we're going to see with this company and the direction that they're headed, is not only to be the leader in global travel, that's their great ambition, but to one day be associated with things like concerts and fun educational experiences or fun dining experiences. They want to have all of that.
And Olivia, give us just one more element of the price point here, because we didn't disclose it. What are they spending and how much have they got to splash?
Well, they do have quite a bit of money. They've spent very little of the 3.1 billion that they have raised. They've only spent 300 million so far. So they have 3 billion to spend on acquisitions. Whether they'll spend all of it, I doubt it, because they are planning to IPO at some point, and I think they're going to want to have a lot of cash on the books ahead of that IPO.